Hello binary friends and family, I hope you are doing well and that your trading journey is going smoothly. I am not a professional video editor, but I always try my best to share useful knowledge about binary trading. If you are struggling at any stage, feel free to ask in the comments. I will do my best to make your concepts clear. Binary trading can be very risky if you trade with emotions or greed. Always try to follow a proper trading plan and use good money management. Stay patient, keep learning, and trade responsibly. Back to the chart. This is the OTC market. Sometimes, OTC markets do not respect support and resistance levels, which is why beginners should stay away from OTC trading. It can be very risky if you do not have proper knowledge and experience. In this setup, we took a call option because the market was struggling to create a new lower low. At the same time, the RSI indicator and price momentum showed that buyers were becoming interested, suggesting a possible short-term move to the upside. Based on this confirmation, we entered the trade. Now, let's wait for the result. This is the Euro to US dollar OTC chart. We took a 5-minute call option because the market stopped at a support level. 2 candles earlier, we could already see buyer activity at this support, which is marked by the 2 white lines drawn on the chart. If you look at the RSI indicator, it also confirmed buyer strength, showing that buyers were active in the market. Based on this confluence, we entered a call trade. One important piece of advice: always practice on a demo account first. This is the basic and safest approach until you gain enough experience and confidence in trading. Here, we took a 2-minute call option. The reason is simple: the market is creating higher highs and has already broken the previous resistance level. Buyers are in control, and we can see bullish engulfing candles taking over the sellers. The RSI indicator is also favoring buyers, confirming bullish momentum. Based on this confirmation, we entered the trade. Now, let's wait for the result. This is the Euro to Pound Sterling OTC chart. If you look at the chart, the market is in a downtrend, and as we always say, the trend is your friend. Price failed at the resistance level and could not break above it. Instead, it was rejected with a bearish engulfing candle, showing strong selling pressure. We also took confirmation from the RSI indicator, which supported the bearish bias. Based on these confirmations, we entered a 2-minute down trade. Now, let's wait for the result.